Now, Storm Tracker 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
A pretty nice August day out there for any outdoor plans. Beautiful, mostly sunny skies. Some folks in Gold Beach out on the water. Breezes have been picking up as we've gone through the afternoon. We'll look for skies to clear inland as we head into tonight. We got another cool night on tap, down to 56 degrees in Grants Pass, 58 in Medford. We'll dip to 49 in Mount Shasta, 40s on the east side, and some marine clouds and fog will be possible for parts of the coast, down to 55 degrees tonight in Brookings. Tomorrow, despite that cool morning, it will be warmer tomorrow afternoon. We get up to about 77 degrees by the noon hour and then topping out into the low 90s in Medford. Later tomorrow afternoon, sunset on your Wednesday at 8:04 p.m. We'll get up to 91 degrees in Grants Pass, 90 in Wairika, 83 degrees in Klamath Falls, and up to 85 in Lakeview. Lots of sunshine. Some of the higher terrain may see a few fair weather cumulus clouds, but that's about it. Look for breezy winds along the coast, getting up to 76 degrees in Brookings. Here's a look at Stormcast. With those winds picking up, any marine clouds and fog will clear out pretty quick. Ample sunshine across much of the region, and we have another pretty sunny day throughout southern Oregon and northern California on tap for Thursday. But look what happens as we move into Friday. Notice these higher level clouds starting to move into the region. That is that monsoonal moisture that will start to push in this weekend and could touch off some thunderstorms, especially for the east side. But the next few days will stay dry. Notice things heating up in the basin, highs up around 90 on Thursday, into the low 90s on Friday. For Crater Lake, we'll be pushing 80 degrees by the end of the work week, but Crater Lake is going to be a good place to be to beat the heat, because in our west side valleys, it is going to get very hot. The Rogue Valley, it looks like we could see at least a few to several days getting to 100 degrees or hotter. Right now, Friday and Saturday shaping to be the hottest days of this stretch. Take a look at where we stand with record high temperatures. Both Friday and Saturday, we have a shot at either breaking or tying the record high in Medford. So a toasty stretch as we head in towards the weekend. And then we'll also be watching this weekend that potential for thunderstorms along and east of the Cascades and into northern California. But as we head towards Sunday and Monday and early next week, we may even see a slight chance for a thunderstorm in the Rogue Valley. So a lot to keep track of. For the coast, though, it does look to stay dry, just breezy, very pleasant temperatures. Inland, it's going to get hot. Temperatures above 100 degrees for highs in northern California. The slight chance for thunderstorms Saturday, Sunday, maybe a better chance on Monday. The basin will also be tracking that thunderstorm potential this weekend. Highs getting into the 90s. In the mountains, we'll stay dry the next few days, but watching that potential for some thunderstorms this weekend into early next week. Could be a fairly active stretch when it comes to thunderstorm chances. Even in the Rogue Valley, we'll need to watch Sunday into early next week. We'll be fine-tuning details in the days ahead, but it is going to get awfully hot with Friday and Saturday highs getting well up into the triple digits.